This is the Arlen Ness Café carbon fiber front fender for 2024 and up road glides and street glides. Today I'll be taking you through a step-by-step install of this fender on my 2025 road glide. We will also be evaluating what kind of weight savings we get from going from the stock steel fender to an all-new carbon fiber fender, as well as determine whether or not this is worth the $400 price tag to give an appearance change to the front of the bike and make it look more like a performance bagger. So join me as we hop into the install. If you're new here, I'm Grop. Welcome to Grop Life. I do real-world installs and reviews on performance parts for Harley-Davidsons with no sponsors, no filter, just what actually works, what doesn't, and I do it all here in my garage. So if that's something you're interested in learning about more and more performance parts and things you can do to modify your Harley-Davidson, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Now, let's hop into the install and put the new fender on this bike. All right, let's get this box open. Packing. Looks like we got hardware, more hardware. This thing is light. They package it really well from Arlen Ness. This thing is nice. It weighs almost nothing. It weighs less than my Action cameras. Let's pull out a scale and see how much it actually weighs so we can compare later with how much the stock steel fender weighs and see how much weight reduction we're actually getting out of this. It doesn't even weigh a pound. Comes in at 14.22 ounces of weight. That's light. I can't wait to see how much the stock fender weighs. So let's go ahead and throw this on the bike. It should be a pretty simple install. So to remove the stock fender, you'll need a 1/4 Allen wrench or hex bit, and just slowly take it off. Be careful not to scratch anything or mess up your forks or scratch the paint on your original fender. Now you want to be careful while you ease it out and just bring it out slowly. And there you have it. There's the stock fender off of the bike. Now let's move over and drop the new carbon fiber fender from Arlen Ness on here. Now for the install, you want to just do the same process backwards. The Arlen Ness fender does come with new hardware, and instead of bolting directly into the fender, you do have nuts that you have to install on the back, so you will need an additional small 1/2-inch ratchet to secure it on there. And of course, don't forget the Loctite, because it's a Harley and everything rattles. So you want to watch out for your forks, and then just kind of set it down on there. And then you want to put some Loctite on these and then slowly kind of work them on, get them a little bit adjusted before you tighten everything down. Once all the bolts are in there, then you want to kind of go around and tighten everything up. And there you have it. Really quick install. This probably took me less than 10-15 minutes to do the whole thing. So let's go ahead and roll it out into the sunlight and take a look at it out there. It already looks way, way better on the bike. Now let's take this stock fender, flip it upside down and weigh it and compare it to how much the new carbon fiber fender weighs. Wow. The original fender weighs 3 pounds, 10 ounces, almost 11 ounces. So that means we shaved off almost 3 pounds from stock to carbon fiber. Well, I can say that was well worth the $341 that I spent on it through J&P Cycles, because normally it's about $400 through Arlen Ness, but J&P Cycles is running a sale right now on it at the time of filming this video. So run over there and pick it up if you can. Tell them I sent you. This is not a sponsored video or an affiliate marketing video for them, but I spent my own hard-earned money on this, and I'm super happy with it because it changes the whole look of the bike, makes it look more aggressive and more performance bagger style. So if you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please hit that like button down below. Also hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when new videos are released in the future, because this is not the end for modifying this Road Glide. Let me know down below what you think the next parts I should put on the bike are. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.